Hello, my name is Shweihninzy and this is my boyfriend Jarrett. We've been together for 2 years and recently just moved out of our first tiny apartment together. When we moved in together, we didn't know that the year 2020 would be a difficult year for the whole world. I'm so thankful I had him by my side through everything that this past year threw at us. I thought I would show you all what our 2020 looked like and share with you some of the biggest memories we made together there in our tiny 500 square foot apartment.
Hey, look at this. Yes, and the bow. Wow. Oh, and the closing closet. All right, let's go see. Here's the place, what it looks like right now. There's Luna. Here's the kitchen. Here's me.
I don't know about you, but online TV got me through a lot of quarantine. Thankfully, Disney Plus had just come out before everything went down, and I found myself reminiscing over old childhood movies.
I just sliced my finger open. I'm bleeding everywhere.
January started out with a bang. I had sliced my finger open and I had to get it stitched back together. Later in the month, we added our big boy Arlo to the family. He was 8 months old when we adopted him. He definitely was quite feisty when we first brought him home, but we slowly learned that his bark was worse than his bite. He's a big softie now and became friends with his big sister Luna within a week.
It's all clean. Oh, looks so nice. But this side's dirty. Right, Arlo? Arlo? You ignoring me? Arlo?
I was also pretty adventurous with my hair during the start of quarantine and have continued to dye my hair bright colors ever since. The summer rolled around and we adopted another kitten. Little Leo came into our lives in June, and he and Arlo have become best buds. Jarrett did a lot of cooking over the summer too. He is a great cook. We experimented with different types of bread and fried foods.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at the steam. Oh my gosh. That is so good. What are you doing up there? Leo! What is he doing? It's official! I just officially ended my lease here and we're moving! Yay! Today is October 16th. 19th. Today's October 19th and I'll be out of here. We're here in our first apartment, in our condo. So excited. Eating on the floor.
big butt. Huh? Thank you.
Hello! Say hello, Leo! He just jumped up on my lap. Say hello!
Oh. He does not like being held.
Do you? You just don't like it.
Well, hello everybody. So, it is currently, where'd my phone go? It's 9:30 at night and I just got back from my condo, so I'm actually going to be packing up a lot of stuff. I'm gonna be doing like a time lapse. I don't know if this is gonna be exciting or not, but it's just hard getting things done and filming at the same time. Props to those people who vlog and pack and move all at the same time. It is a skill that I do not have. So I hope you guys enjoy this time lapse, and let's pack up this room together. Our lease ended in December and we moved into our new condo in November. It was great to have a month to slowly pack up our old place and move into the new condo. We were both so excited to be in a bigger, nicer home with our 3 cats. We looked forward to what this new chapter of our lives had to offer.
He's under, Dad. You got it, Dad? Do you need me to help? Dad, do you need my help?
You guys got it?
Yep, let go.
Let it go. All right.
Oh my gosh! Ah! Good job, everybody! Alright, this is it. We vacuumed. The boyfriend cleaned. I cleaned. This is and was our first apartment together, and it is now a year later and it is time for a goodbye. So this was the bedroom, bathroom.
Thanks, first apartment. You were great, but I'm happy to be moving on.
And that is it. Say goodbye.